Endless advertising scams. Beware of international frauds. Nowadays, advertising scams are becoming increasingly diverse. I once saw an international ad in English that required you to download software from Google Play. After you downloaded the software and played the game, which promised you could make money, it initially seemed like you were earning. But when you tried to withdraw, you found you couldn't. Why? Because when you tried to withdraw, they told you you were ranked in the billions. You will find that such scams are not rare. Even if they pay out to 10,000 people daily, you would have to wait 500 years to get the money. Who can live that long? These scammers' ads are international, not limited to a specific country or region. Have you ever thought about why they dare to advertise like this? What are they exploiting? They exploit our ordinary people's greed. Ads often start with the question, "Are you short of money?" Obviously. Who among ordinary people doesn't need more money? They exploit your desire for money and gradually guide you into deeper traps. Why do these scammers want you to play the game? They earn money by acting as agents for other advertisers and making money off your clicks. In reality, you are their free labor but receive no payment. This phenomenon exists worldwide. In other countries, you may find similar ad and game scams that similarly exploit people's desire for money and greed. Whether it's online ads, mobile apps, or other forms, these scams often use quick money-making promises as bait to draw people in. We need to be cautious of these scams because they not only threaten our economic security but also invade our privacy and personal data. Advertising scammers often use your desire for money to unwittingly obtain sensitive information, leading to more severe problems down the road. These advertising scam groups usually have sophisticated organizational structures and advanced technical support. They hire tech-savvy people to design complex scams, acquiring your personal information and financial data without your knowledge. Worse, these groups are often difficult to track down because they can easily cross national and regional borders to evade legal penalties. How do we deal with these issues? First, we must approach ads with caution, especially those with overly good promises. Any ad that makes you believe you can get rich overnight should raise a red flag. Second, we should enhance our ability to identify ads and apps, avoiding the easy download of software from unknown sources. Moreover, maintaining the security of devices and software is crucial. Regularly update your device systems and software to ensure the latest security patches are installed. At the same time, we need to cultivate an awareness of fraud in daily life, particularly concerning ads and promotions that seem too good to be true. By following trustworthy news sources and cybersecurity resources, we can stay informed about the latest scam methods and prevention strategies. Only by staying vigilant and aware of our own behavior can we avoid falling into these advertising scams traps. For individual users, we must be careful to protect our privacy and avoid sharing personal information on unknown websites and applications. Use complex and unique passwords and different passwords for different services. Be cautious with apps that request excessive permissions, and only grant permissions after confirming their trustworthiness. Ultimately, this is an important issue about how to remain aware and avoid deception. By strengthening our self-cultivation and maturity of thought, we can better protect ourselves from these advertising scams. What other measures do you think we can take to address these ever-changing scams? How can we continue using technology and the internet positively without being affected by advertising scams? These questions are worth thinking and discussing for each of us.